Hi everyone, this is Irfan again with Nikon gear. Today I came across some Nikon stuff. It's a Nikon FM camera body in a wonderful condition with some it's a 28 f2.8 lens on it. Works very well. Meter is active. I installed brand new batteries and shifter seems to be working fine. This is a recent find. Just came across this camera gear. Thought let me share my find with you guys. Pretty decent shape. Cosmetically, nothing serious. A little bit of wear as expected from this kind of camera. It also came with Nikon N90 camera body, which also appears to be in a pretty decent shape. I'll be soon installing AA batteries in it. Looks pretty good. There's also a huge Nikon AF Nikkor 80 to 200 mm f2.8. I have used this kind of lens before. Makes wonderful pics. Pretty good lens in a very clean condition. Looks like it hasn't been used much. Optically very clean. And there's one more lens. It's a 20 mm f2.8 Spiritone lens and a flash SP25 old school flash, which came out in 80s. Use this kind of flash with a Nikon Film camera. You can also use it on Nikon digital, but there will be no TTL flash. It's only going to be manual flash. So the main attraction is this Nikon FM and the 80 to 200 mm beast lens. This is working great. In case you have any questions, comments, feel free to write to me. As I've said in the past, I very often go out to estate sales and camera shows and pick up camera gear from here. This was a recent find. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.